were two things I was wondering about with these batteries. First of all, how long do they last? And in this particular purchase, which is 2024, you can see that it expires in 4 years. So a good amount of time. Odds are I'm gonna run out of these far long before it actually expires. The second thing is it says 21/23. I specifically needed one with an A in it, so 21A or 23A, because that is what is in my door sensor. So this is a sensor that goes in the door. You can see on that side, it looks about the same width of a AAA battery, but you can see it's about maybe even 70% of the size in terms of length. So we're gonna see if that pops in there, and you can see that it's blinking and it's ready to go. So it does work. So if you're wondering if this is 21A or 23A, yes, it is. Specifically because this requires a 12 volt battery. And that's what makes it 12 volt is the A in there, if that makes sense. So there you go. Works for me. Hopefully it works for you.